NewAir Beverage refrigerator cooler with 126 can capacity, minibar beer fridge with right hinge glass door, cools to 34 F, AB 1200 BC1, beers of the world. Limited edition design turns this freestanding beer fridge into a work of art for your home. Powerful compressor cooling allows you to set the temperature all the way down to 32 degrees. Split shelf configuration provides modular shelves that maximize storage space. Room for a whopping 21 six-packs of standard cans in a compact footprint saves floor space. Durable stainless steel doors and LED lighting add stylish finishing touches to the unique design. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.